Alright, we're almost at the bottom. And I noticed this. Let's go see the bottom there first. And we might explore that on the way back. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. And I'll see you guys at the bottom. Alright. Almost at the bottom. And the big reveal. Wait, hold on. Let me just get to the bottom here. And the big reveal. It's actually not that much water today. It's been pretty warm the last few days. I don't know. It's because of that. Well, I guess it's normal. We are September. Usually this time of year it's a lot less water flowing in rivers anyway. I'm literally standing on top of a huge boulder right now. Look at that. That's crazy. Let's see, let's make my way over here. Yep. Some shoes would have been better than flip-flops, I think. Oh well. Wow, look at that moss. Isn't that cool? I gotta be careful. Usually you can't get close like this because there's way too much water. Like if you look at those tree trunks, like that was swept away by water. You know, like over time the bark got stripped away by the erosion of the water, right? So like that shows you how much water is here usually. Probably like the month of June, July. So beautiful. Let's go up a little bit. Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Just a minute, guys. Let me show you this. Look at this. It's like hanging moss. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Wow. There's that footbridge. One day we shall go there, perhaps. Wow, look at that cliff. That must be, what, like 150 feet high? Wow. Maybe I'll take you guys up there. I think there's a path that leads to it. So I think after this, I'll head on up there so we can show you guys that too. And I think I have much memory left in my storage here, so my camera storage. So I'm gonna show you guys this and then we'll head up there after. Wow, look at that. Is that a boulder? Oh my gosh. Hold on, let's get closer to that. I'm doing this with a coffee in one hand, a camera in one hand, and flip-flops. I was not expecting to be doing that today. It was just kind of a spur of the moment type of thing, you know? I was telling myself, you know what, I feel like going for a car ride. And then I was approaching this area and I was like, you know what, let's go check that out. I heard that they had recently added this footbridge. And I hadn't been here since before they had done that, so I was really interested in what that would be, what that would look like. Alright, how are we gonna do this? What am I doing here, guys? What am I doing? Well, that's a bit steep, so I think we'll go this way. Just give me a second here, guys. I'm gonna pause the video, get up on top of this. I think I need my 2 hands. Be back in a second. Alright. Wasn't very high up, but sometimes you gotta use both of your hands, you know? Whoa! Look at all this moss everywhere. Crazy. Or is it algae? Might be some algae, actually. If any of you guys know out there, please feel free to comment on that. It's always nice to know what I'm looking at. And I'm sure some other viewers would appreciate that too. That'd be pretty cool. It's like a little pool here. Oh, that's pretty nice. Secret little pool. Man, I just love this. It's so beautiful. See, this is like the type of stuff I want to explore more often on this channel. At the moment, I'm still working my full-time job, and I can't really head out as much as I want to, you know, and it'd be nice if we could travel the world together and stuff like that, you know? So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Man, this looks like one giant boulder. I kind of want to go on the other side and see. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video again, make my way there, over there, and oh my god, guys, it is a giant boulder. Look at that. That is nuts. That is crazy. Look at that. That thing is ginormous. Whoa, and look how the water... Hold on a second, guys. I gotta show you this. Just putting my coffee down. Take a look at that. Look at how over time, the water has eroded the surface. Like, that's not just algae and moss. I mean, some of it is. But look at all the lines. How it carves through the rock over time. Isn't that crazy? That's so amazing. Let me give you a look up at the waterfall there too while I'm here. Looks like a shower, doesn't it? That's what it makes me think of. I'm literally getting rained on right now. But it's worth it. Oh, shall we go closer? Let's go closer. I think I'll leave my coffee here. I'll grab it on the way back. You know what? Maybe flip-flops was a good idea. Woo. I don't want to get the camera wet too much. Oh man, this is actually kind of slippery. Alright, just a few seconds. And we're out. I don't want to get the camera wet too much. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't mind getting wet. It's just, I don't want the electronics to get filled with water or whatever. Yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. Looking up at the cliff face. Let's take another look around. And then we'll head on back up. Or maybe down the river. I don't know. We'll see. Alright. I'll take a little bit of a break here. And we'll see you guys in a bit.